If economic agents perfectly anticipate policy changes, and if all prices, including wages, are completely flexible, which of the following will be true in the long run? So, we're asked that if economic agents perfectly anticipate policy changes, and that wages and prices are all completely flexible, which of the following will be true in the long run? So, A, the price level will be constant. This is incorrect because price level varies. It always varies in the short run and in the long run. So it would be wrong to say that price level is constant. B, there will be no trade-off between inflation and unemployment. This is true because the long-run Phillips curve proves this, where the x-axis of this curve represents unemployment and the y-axis represents inflation, which we'll write as IF. The short-run Phillips curve is a downward sloping curve, but the long-run Phillips curve shows us that in the long run there is no connection between unemployment and inflation. So it is true that there is no trade-off between inflation and unemployment. So B seems to be the correct answer. C, the unemployment rate will be less than the natural rate of unemployment. This is incorrect because the long-run Phillips curve shows us that in the long run the unemployment will always reach the natural rate of unemployment. So it will not be less than the natural rate of unemployment. D, the unemployment rate will be greater than the natural rate of unemployment. This is incorrect for the same reason C is incorrect, because the long-run Phillips curve shows us that in the long run, the unemployment rate will always be equal to the natural rate of unemployment. E, changes in the money supply will not lead to changes in the price level. This is incorrect because changes in the money supply will always lead to a change in the price level. There is no case where a change in the money supply will not lead to a change in the price level. So E is incorrect. The correct answer is B.